Hello, thanks for joining WNN News. There is a significant amount of snow on the roads. There has been multiple accidents reported in the Binghamton, New York area. Right now, Newark Valley Central School District is on a 2-hour delay. Everyone, Newark Valley Central School District is on a 2-hour delay. It is raining, snowing very lightly. But look. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Right now, there's the roadways, as we can see.
Hey guys, what's up here, bananaoverlord? We get another snow day. Look at the camera.
There's Adam right now. He's doing a live broadcast.
Keep on, la 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 la. I've done that so wrong.
So as we're continuing this WNN newscast, Newark Valley Central School District is closed today, but Broome-Tagabo is closed. Binghamton Central is closed. Multiple schools are closed today. We are still recovering from other snowstorms. So you can see he's doing his YouTube video as I'm continuing mine. So now, as we're continuing, so I'm going to continue to do my WNN newscast. We can see a tractor trailer up here. Let's see if he swerves a little bit or not.
I'll see you in the up there. I'm gonna come back with a layer of binoculars. Nothing is too insanity. Chaos! Here, chaos! La 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 la! Ebola! La la la!
You can see this guy. He's very excited that school's hot. See, this is on top of the roof. There's the top of the roof, sort of. Whoa! Over here, some significant amount of snow. There's ice. It's accumulating right now. Some of it has melted as of this time. You can see Adam. Finishes his. So we're continuing. He's getting Dennis's snow shovel so he could attempt to shovel at this time.
Nice shovel. You can buy one of these on Amazon for like $20.
Yeah.
I'm shoveling. Ah.
He's continuing. He just finished shoveling right now. As we're saying, if you're on the roads, be careful. This is a dangerous. So, see our neighbor over here. She's shoveling too. Well, these roads are dangerous. Please be slow. I warn everyone. Please be slow in here. We're gonna have more snowfall accumulations continuing. This is a danger. Do not go on the roads unless you have to, unless you must go on the roads.
Oh, yeah, I'm recording you. I'm freaking awesome. Too big good.
So right now, we're continuing to see we have bananaoverlord running. Thanks for joining us. This is WNN News. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Caleb Osborne.